ahead of the BMC elections, the former Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has remarked on Mumbai, and that has sparked a controversy because Annamalai said, and I quote, "Bombay is not a city of Maharashtra but an international city." Now, Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut has asked Chief Minister Fadnavis and his deputy Eknath Shinde, asking how can they remain silent when a BJP leader from Tamil Nadu says that Mumbai is not a part of Maharashtra. Raut alleging that Annamalai has insulted the people of Maharashtra and Marathi pride with his remarks.
Here we are looking at the only city in our country where a triple engine Sarkar is possible. Modi ji at the center, Devendra Fadnavis at the state, and the BJP mayor and BMC. Because Bombay is not a Maharashtra city, it is an international city. And this city has got a budget of 75,000 crore, not a small money. Chennai's budget is 8,000 crore. Bangalore is 19,000 crore. You need good people sitting in the administration to manage the finance, to manage development.
एक अन्नामलई आया है, कहां से? तमिलनाडु से। मुंबई में स्टार प्रचार है क्या बीजेपी का? वो मुंबई में आकर कहता है कि मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की नहीं है और राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री अब तक उसके ऊपर जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे। डिप्यूटी सीएम एकनाथ शिंदे भी चुप बैठे हैं, जो अपने आप को शिवसेना और धनुष्यबाण लेकर घूम रहे हैं ना, शिवसेना शिवसेना। जवाब दीजिए फडणवीस और शिंदे, उसके ऊपर एफआईआर लॉज होना चाहिए। जो महाराष्ट्र का और मराठी लोगों का अपमान किया है ये अन्नामलई ने।
So, Nilesh, Annamalai seemed to be praising Mumbai and saying that it's an international city, but that's not how the UBT seems to have seen it. Tell us what the controversy is about.
Well, we are speaking of Sanjay Raut, leader from the UBT faction, who has currently joined alliance with Raj Thackeray. Now, both of these partners, that is Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, the Thackeray brothers, have for long been speaking of Marathi pride, have been stating of how Maharashtra has been leading the forefront into developing India, and his Mumbai city happens to be one of the highest tax-paying city in the nation, and which is why it is also termed as financial capital. However, time and again, the Marathi Manus, that is the locals here, the son of the soil, have never got the benefit of all of these achievements, and which is why Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray are trying to cater to this particular section, the Marathi Manus, in the upcoming election. Something the Annamalai is making a contradictory statement. He goes on to a larger scale, stating that how Mumbai should be viewed as a global city, and not just Annamalai but various BJP leaders, various star campaigners who are reaching in Mumbai are of a similar favor, stating that Mumbai for long have been seeing with a limited eye. The possibility and capability of its growth have for long been neglected, and which is why it is Modi into center, Narendra in center, Devendra in state, and which is why they are speaking, that is BJP is speaking, that the mayor will ultimately be of BJP. Okay. And with this three leadership, three engines will be somewhat boosting the growth of Mumbai city and whole of Maharashtra, and it should not be viewed isolatedly when it comes to the political developments or the economic development of this nation.
Okay, all right, do stay with us. We have more breaking updates now coming in. Aditya Thackeray has hit out at the BJP on these comments on Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray aligning for the BMC elections. Aditya Thackeray has said that the BJP only knows how to break families and never really believes in unity, going on to say it's a good thing when brothers are together. Listen in.
BJP is the only party in the world who will have trouble with two brothers coming together. BJP एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो तोड़ने में विश्वास रखती है, जोड़ने में नहीं विश्वास रखती. We are very clear. As both families, we have come together to stay together. The other side, which is Mr. Fadnavis, Ajit Dada and Minde, the three of them are sticking together because they want to loot Maharashtra.
Now, this was the claim that was made by Aditya Thackeray, who went on to say that the brothers are going to be together. What's the problem? Chief Minister Fadnavis has reacted on this reunion of Thackerays. Listen into what he said.
मेरा अपना मानना यह है कि देखिए, राज ठाकरे एक ऐसे नेता है कि जिनको एक ऑडियंस है, लेकिन मुझे यह लगता है कि इस चुनाव में उन्होंने बहुत बड़ी गलती की है। उन्होंने उद्धव जी के साथ जाकर जो अलायंस किया है, मेरा अपना मानना है, मैं कोई पॉलिटिकल पंडित नहीं हूं, लेकिन मेरे अनुभव के आधार पर कहता हूं, इस अलायंस में द बिगेस्ट लूजर विल बी राज ठाकरे। उद्धव जी नहीं होंगे, उद्धव जी को राज ठाकरे का फायदा मिलेगा, लेकिन राज ठाकरे जी को उद्धव जी का फायदा नहीं मिलेगा।
Now, more breaking updates coming in after the BJP AIMIM brief tie-up and the alliance collapsing. Politics is continuing because the reaction that has come in from Aditya Thackeray is that there is an understanding between the AIMIM and the BJP. Listen in.
Both the people speak the same language. And this is what I've said time and again, that the MIM and the BJP are A team and B team for each other. Wherever both of them enter, you look at any state in India, wherever the BJP is about to lose, in comes MIM, polarization begins from one end, polarization begins from the other end. Both capture their respective vote banks or, sort of hypnotize you.
बोथ चार्ज बीजेपी की तरफ से ये भी आ रहा है
नहीं,
कि उद्धव जी की पार्टी
मेरी पूरी तो सुनो, वो hypnotize करते हैं and they make you your vote bank and they benefit, and you as the common man or the common woman or the common voter is stuck in the politics of this bipolar contest of religion, language, creed, caste, region, especially religion when it comes to BJP and MIM. And when things are done, is the BJP who goes and allies with MIM.
So, Rucha, it clearly looks like it's a very, very weird mix of parties in some of the corporations, two rivals coming together, completely different story in another. I mean, it's been an election full of surprises in the BMC polls, in the civic polls in Maharashtra, isn't it?
Well, clearly, even before the elections were announced of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the Maharashtra saw an alliance of brothers, Thackeray brothers, coming back together after 20 years. In fact, we are exactly at the spot at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park, where very soon Raj and Uddhav Thackeray will be addressing their party workers. And ever since the elections are announced, we are seeing how different parties with different ideologies, in fact, are coming together. We saw how AIMIM extended its support to the Bharatiya Janata Party, and especially in BMC polls, we are seeing the brothers getting reunited. And the voters are definitely going to be confused because the vote share is going to be divided. Every party is in this election targeting the Marathi audience, the Marathi people. In fact, if we look at the manifesto of both the sides, it may be the Mahavikas Aghadi or the Mahayuti, maximum points which are targeted at Marathi people are common. Both the sides are talking about making a Marathi person a mayor of Mumbai, while we have parties like Congress who are saying that we want a Muslim mayor, we will make a Khan mayor of this city. It is also becoming a controversy where Zoran Mamdani was compared to mayor of Mumbai city, and now it is also important to listen what Raj and Uddhav Thackeray have to say about the Mumbai city, because today at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park they are going to address together for the first time in Mumbai at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Park. And we have seen how there was politics over the language war, over the Marathi people's pride is going to be one of the key points that Raj and Uddhav Thackeray will be talking about. And in their manifesto also, we are seeing how they are targeting the Marathi people to bring them back in Mumbai city. In fact, Eknath Shinde also highlighted how the Marathi people were kicked off from the Mumbai city, and they will also be targeting them to bring back to Mumbai city again.
Talking about Marathi pride, invoking that in their manifesto as well as in their speeches as well, isn't it? Rucha, we'll have to leave it at that. Thanking you and Nilesh for joining us on the broadcast with those details. Slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back.
It's the ultimate battle for